Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a compact powerhouse that promises to revolutionize your dorm room cooking, small apartment meals, or even your camping adventures. We're talking about the Bare Hot Pot Electric, a 2-liter multifunctional portable cooking pot with a robust 1000-watt heating element. First impressions matter, and this little cooker certainly makes a statement with its clean, bright white design. But beyond the aesthetics, it's the functionality that truly shines. The headline feature here is its 1000-watt heating capability. What this means for you is rapid cooking. Whether you're craving a quick bowl of ramen, a hearty oatmeal to start your day, or even a steak for one, this pot is designed to get the job done efficiently. The dual power adjustment is a really smart touch. You can choose between a lower 500-watt setting, perfect for simmering or keeping things warm, and the full 1000 watts for rapid boiling and searing. The manufacturer explicitly states it's not recommended for cooking rice, which is important to note, but for noodles, soups, oatmeal, and even frying eggs or small steaks, it performs admirably. Capacity is another key consideration, and the 2-liter volume of this Bare cooker is well suited for 1 to 3 people. This makes it ideal for solo cooks, couples, or small gatherings where you might want to prepare a shared dish. It's not designed for large family dinners, but for its intended purpose as a personal or small group cooker, the size is just right. Now, let's talk about one of the most crucial aspects of any kitchen appliance: ease of cleaning and safety. The Bare Hot Pot features a food-grade ceramic glaze coating. This is a significant advantage because it's not only toxin-free, even at high temperatures, but it also contributes to a smooth, non-stick surface. This makes cleaning up after your meal a breeze, a welcome relief for anyone who dreads scrubbing pots. Safety is also paramount, and the inclusion of overheating protection and boil-dry protection provides peace of mind, automatically shutting off the device if it gets too hot or if it runs dry. The portability factor of this electric cooker is undeniable. The removable power cord is a simple yet brilliant design element that makes it incredibly easy to pack and transport. Whether you're heading to a dorm, an office, or out on a camping trip, this mini electric cooker can easily become your go-to culinary companion. It truly lives up to its portable moniker. Considering gifting this item? It's a thoughtful choice for friends who love to cook, especially those with limited kitchen space or who are always on the go. Its versatility, coupled with its attractive and compact design, makes it a gift that is likely to be well received and frequently used. So, to recap the pros. The 1000-watt rapid heating is excellent for quick meals. The dual power settings offer flexibility. The 2-liter capacity is perfect for individuals or small groups. The ceramic glaze makes it easy to clean and ensures healthy cooking. Safety features like overheat and boil-dry protection are included. And its portability, thanks to the removable cord, is a huge plus. However, there are a couple of cons to consider. As mentioned, it's not recommended for cooking rice, which might be a drawback for some. And while it's good for frying small items like eggs or thin steaks, it's not a replacement for a full-sized frying pan for larger or thicker cuts of meat. In conclusion, the Bare Hot Pot Electric 2-liter multifunctional portable cooking pot is a versatile and efficient appliance that excels in its core functions. It's perfect for anyone looking for a convenient way to prepare a variety of meals quickly and easily, all within a compact and portable package. Link in the description.